Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn wealth definition of economics. This wealth definition has given by Adam Smith. According to Adam Smith, economics is an inquiry into the nature and causes of wealth of nations. What it means? Nature is the cause of wealth creation of any country. If a country have more natural resources, they can create more wealth for their nation. Adam Smith named economics as a science of wealth. He said that it is a science subject to create wealth. He concerned with how the wealth is produced and distributed. Adam Smith is mainly concentrating how to create more wealth, how to produce more wealth, how to produce and how to distribute it. That is the main concentration of Adam Smith. Important features. Humans are mainly aimed at gaining wealth. According to Adam Smith, what he said, human beings are mainly aiming to gain more and more wealth. He said that wealth means material things. What do you mean material things? All kinds of tangible things you can see and touch. The man is said to be selfish when his main goal is to collect more and more wealth. Obviously, if a person is mainly concentrating to collect more and more wealth, we call him as selfish person. But Adam Smith is saying that man should be selfish to create more and more wealth and collect it. Criticism. The wealth definition criticized by some of the economists. According to Carle and Ruskin pointed out that economics must discuss ordinary man's activities. But whatever the definition given by Adam Smith, in his definition, he never discussed about ordinary man's activities. That's why these people are calling it is a dismal science. That means it is not a science subject at all. Generally, science subject should discuss ordinary man's activities. But in this wealth definition, Adam Smith has not discussed about ordinary man's activities. So, Carle and Ruskin criticized it is a dismal science. That means it is not a science subject at all. Alfred Marshall pointed out, wealth is only a means to an end, but not an end itself. What is the meaning of means? Means resources. End means wants. Yes, to satisfy your wants, you need resources. Yeah, wealth is only resource to satisfy your wants, but not an end itself. Right? Wealth definition consists of only material things and services are not included. In this wealth definition, he is mainly concentrating on only material things. He neglected service oriented things. That's why the scope of economics is limited. His definition is limited to only material things. This definition concentrated mainly on the production side and neglected distribution side. Adam Smith is mainly concentrating we have to produce more and more wealth only, but that wealth should be distributed to the people. How to produce, how to distribute this wealth to the people, he is not included in his definition. So this is the criticism given by different economists about wealth definition.